welcome. Lots of footage here. I don't know if this will actually be a full video. It might just be half a video. Might not be anything. It might be vaulted, but I'm gonna get out with Ethan because then I'm just weird and awkward if I just sat in here. So. So as of right now, yeah, first truck meet of mine failed, but yeah, you can hear all the trucks. So too.
Let me that damn shit. We got out that fucking mountain. Maybe they are going to cook out. If they are, I'll turn around again. I'm not going on the damn snow mound. Where's the park? Okay. Parking like human beings. Nigga. Fucked up human beings. Thank you, Dad. Daddy hurts.
Snow. Don't. Oh man, that's the only thing I call my daddy hurts.
Who you calling?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Don't lie. You know you do.
No, I don't. That's curb.
So we were following this Tacoma up here. You can't fucking see him. We were going to pull into the damn cookout because that's the always backup plan. Stopped me and said that cops are at cookout. So we're going to the East Coast. We're now going to East Coast Wings.
East Coast.
Which is one of the best fucking wing joints on the fucking East Coast. You cannot change my damn mind. Damn, you on fucking 14 miles. Okay, brother. Okay, brother. Trap Taco. This is the Tacoma we're following. Go follow me on Instagram. Trap Taco. Oh, this shit is fucking fast. Oh, that's for damn. So, inserts fucking ride music right now.
I'm driving too fast in my Lincoln Town car, and I think I just might flip it over.
I don't even have that radio. Look. Dodge. Pop shut down insane car meet.
With his shittiest thumbnail.
I'm on 1250-20. He's on probably fucking 1450-20 or 1450. That motherfucking thick. What the fuck is this kid doing?
Climb that little snow hill.
What the fuck?
Well, we've been here for about 10 minutes now. Shit. This is how it's going so far. So, it's not boring, but it's also chill.
I've watched it.
Come on. Always when I turn the camera on.
Damn, man. On hydraulics?
Yeah, making OnlyFans and put up that cute shit.
So, Ethan, how did you like the meet?
Well, considering it's my first meet, we got ran out of the first one.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it was decent.
That's the usual.
You know, then we go to the second spot. It's fucking cool!
Yeah.
You know, everyone's beating their shit and everything, you know, just being themselves. Cops show up, you know. I'm not getting mad for that. But yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend it. We're going to another one.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna send these fucking clips to fucking 336 Truck Meets. So follow 336 Truck Mafia. Yes, I'm plugging my shit right now. 336.Ethan.
Alright.
Back. Fucking see you later.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Run.